Today we will discuss about cosmic surgery. In spirituality, we do a lot of cosmic surgery. For a doctor who will be doing the surgery should know the minute details about the anatomy of human body. Similarly, for a spiritual person who will be doing the cosmic surgery should also know the minute details about the anatomy of human body. For example, if a person want to do cosmic surgery against a heart blockage, he should know what is heart, where the blockages should be. So for that, we can take the help of X-ray, which will give you a clear idea about where is the blockages, how you have to clean this. For example, for a heart patient for whom the doctor has advised a heart surgery can go to a spiritual person for a cosmic surgery. The spiritual person, what he will do? He will send cosmic energy to the arteries, inside the arteries where there is blockage. He will be sending the cosmic energy like a beam, like a laser beam, and pierce through the blockages so that he can send the cosmic energy through the blockages. When the spiritual person keeps sending the cosmic energy through the blockages, the blockage will get transmuted and it will be dissolved. After a long time healing, the blockage will disappear and the blood can flow very easily. Then the person will not require any physical surgery. The cosmic surgery can be done in two levels. First, at the etheric level, and second, directly inside the human body. When even the doctors say that if you do the heart surgery, there is possibility of reoccurring the disease after some time, because the blockages are coming because of the continuous process of thought. You are just cleaning the end result of the thought, but the thought process is not changed. The thought process is not altered by the surgeon. So, science also says before coming the disease inside the human body, 6 months earlier, the same disease appear in the etheric body, because in the etheric body there is a shadow organ. Whatever organ is there inside the body is also there at the etheric level of the body. So, a doctor can operate only inside the physical body, and he cannot operate the outside physical body, because there is one organ outside the physical body which is inside the etheric body. For example, that means there is a heart inside the physical body, and there is a heart inside the etheric body which is not visible in any kind of scanning or photography. But a spiritual person can do the surgery inside the etheric heart also. So, if you do cosmic surgery both inside the physical body and inside the etheric body, then there is another possibility that the cosmic surgery can be exercised within the mind body also, thereby eliminating the cause of reoccurring the same disease within the heart, which the normal doctors cannot do, the spiritual doctors can do, the spiritual healers can do. That is why in today's doctor they are integrating the spiritualism with their medicinal degree. That gives 100% cure to all problems. Similarly, a spiritual healer can also disintegrate the stones accumulated within the gallbladder, kidneys, and other places. They will be doing the same technique of focusing the cosmic energy and sending the same energy like a laser beam into the stones. Thereby the energy will hit the stones, which will cause to disintegrate the stones and transmute the energy, transmute the hard stone energy into light energy. It will completely disappear. It will depend upon how big the stone is, and accordingly the spiritual person has to repeat the healing process, maybe for 5 days, 10 days, 11 days, or something like that, or maybe possible in one single sitting. It depends. So this is how we do a lot of cosmic surgery with the patients.